Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pork fry at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless pork, cut into small, bite-sized pieces. Make sure your spices are ready, including ginger garlic paste, chili powder, and a pinch of turmeric. Don't forget your cooking oil, thinly sliced onions, and a few green chilies to add that perfect kick. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's infuse our pork with incredible flavor through marination. Combine your pork pieces with 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and salt to taste. A squeeze of lemon juice or a splash of vinegar helps tenderize the meat beautifully. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece is coated. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes, or for even deeper flavor, refrigerate it for up to 2 hours. It's time to start frying. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a heavy-bottomed pan or wok over a medium-high flame. Once hot, add your sliced onions and green chilies, sautéing them until they turn a lovely golden brown. Next, add the marinated pork to the pan. Stir continuously, breaking up any clumps, and cook for approximately 15 minutes until the pork is nicely browned and cooked through. This step is crucial for developing rich flavors. Your delicious pork fry is almost ready. Before serving, taste a piece to ensure it's perfectly tender and seasoned to your liking. If needed, add a pinch more salt or chili powder. Once satisfied, transfer the hot pork fry to a serving dish and generously garnish with freshly chopped cilantro leaves. This adds a wonderful aroma and a pop of color. Serve your homemade pork fry hot, either as a main dish with rice or roti, or as a fantastic appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.